Dear members, good morning and a warm welcome to the 13th Annual General Meeting of FSN E-Commerce Ventures Limited, popularly known as Naykaa. Please note that this AGM is being conducted through video conference, other audiovisual means in accordance with the provisions of the Companies Act 2013, various circulars issued by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs and the Securities and Exchange Board of India. The company has taken all efforts to enable its members to participate through video conference, other audiovisual means, and vote at the AGM in a seamless manner. If during the AGM any member faces any technical issues, he may contact the helpline number mentioned in the notice of the AGM. Speaker members will be on mute mode until such time when the question and answer session starts. Before we start the main proceedings of the meeting, I would like to introduce to you the directors of the company. Let me start with Ms. Falguni Nair, Executive Chairperson, Managing Director, and Chief Executive Officer of your company. She chairs the Fundraise and Investment Committee of the company. She is attending this meeting from Mumbai. Ms. Anita Ramchandran is an independent director of your company. She chairs the Nomination and Remuneration Committee, CSR and ESG Committee, and is a member of the Audit Committee of the company. She's attending this meeting virtually. Mr. Milind Sarvate is an independent director of your company. He chairs the Audit Committee and is a member of the Fundraise and Investment Committee of the company. He's attending this meeting virtually. Mr. Sheshashayi Sridhara is an independent director of your company. He chairs the Stakeholders Relationship Committee of the company. He's attending this meeting virtually. Mr. Santosh Desai is an independent director of your company. He's a member of the Audit Committee. He's attending this meeting virtually. Mr. Sanjay Nair is a non-executive director of your company. He's a member of the Risk Management Committee, the CSR and ESG Committee, and the Fundraise and Investment Committee of the company. He's attending this meeting virtually. Mr. Milind Khakkar is a non-executive director of your company. He's a member of the Nomination and Remuneration Committee and Fundraise and Investment Committee of the company. He's attending this meeting virtually. Mr. Anchit Nair is an executive director of your company. He's a member of the Stakeholders Relationship Committee and the Fundraise and Investment Committee of the company. He's attending this meeting from Mumbai. Ms. Advaita Nair is an executive director of your company. She's a member of the Stakeholders Relationship Committee and the CSR and ESG Committee of the company. She's attending this meeting from Mumbai. Mr. Pradeep Parmeswaran is an independent director of the company. He chairs the Risk Management Committee and is a member of the Nomination and Remuneration Committee of the company. He's currently in USA and thus in a different time zone and hence is not attending this AGM. Thank you all. In addition, we also have Mr. P. Ganesh, Chief Financial Officer, Mr. Nilabja Chakraborty, Company Secretary, attending this meeting from Mumbai. Further, we also have the representative of SR Bartley Boy and Associates LLP, the statutory auditors of your company, the representative of SN Ananta Subramanian and Company, the secretarial auditors of your company, the representative of Sharma and Trivedi LLP company secretaries, and the scrutinizer appointed for this AGM attending this meeting virtually from their respective locations. I now request Mr. Nilabja Chakraborty, Company Secretary, to provide general instructions to the members regarding participation in this meeting. Thank you, and over to you, sir.
Thank you, Michelle. Good morning, everyone. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to the 13th Annual General Meeting of FSN E-Commerce Ventures Limited. I shall take you through the general instructions regarding the participation at this meeting. Your company has tied up with National Securities Depositories Limited to provide the facility of voting through remote e-voting, e-voting during the AGM, and participation in the AGM through video conference and other audiovisual means. Live streaming of this meeting is being webcast on the NSDL's website. The registers and records, as required by law, are available electronically for the inspection of the members. Since this AGM is being held through video conference and other audiovisual means, the facility of appointment of proxies by the members is not applicable. The participation of the members through video conference is being reckoned for the purpose of quorum as per Section 103 of the Companies Act 2013 and circular issued by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. The quorum being present, this meeting is called to order. Before we start the chairperson's speech, we would like to point out that some of the statements made in today's call may be forward-looking in nature. A disclaimer to this effect has already been included in the presentation that we will be sharing. I would now request Ms. Falguni Nair, Executive Chairperson and Managing Director and CEO of the company, to address the members. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Nilabja. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's my great honor to welcome you all to Naykaa's 13th Annual General Meeting. On behalf of the Board of Directors, I would like to thank each of you for taking out this time to join us today. With this, I'd like to start with our presentation. Before we talk about Naykaa's performance, I would like to discuss the massive Indian opportunity and the incredible economic landscape we operate in. India is amongst the fastest growing major economies in the world, on a clear trajectory to become the third largest economy with a projected GDP of over $6 trillion by 2030. The country's per capita income is expected to more than double, reaching US $4,500 by financial year 2030. India's projected GDP per capita CAGR of 8 to 9% for the next 5 years is significantly ahead and outpaces the 3 to 6% growth expected in other leading economies. The rise in GDP per capita is fueling a consumption boom in India. The retail market has already grown 1.3 times between financial year 20 to 25. Over the next 5 years, the market is set to surpass 1.6 trillion US dollars by 2030. India is currently the third largest global retail market and is expected to grow faster than any other large economies like China or the US over the next 5 years. Moving on, let's talk about a massive opportunity that e-commerce presents. In financial year 2025, Indian beauty e-commerce market has reached $60 billion, with beauty and fashion categories making up a significant 35% of the entire mix. Looking ahead, this market is set to reach 190 billion US dollars by financial year 2030. Within that, beauty and fashion are set to be the primary drivers of future growth, with potential of making up to 40% of the market by 2030, which means beauty and fashion alone will be bigger than the entire e-commerce market that is prevailing today in the financial year 25. This demonstrates the long-term potential of the categories that Naykaa specializes in, placing us right at the center of India's e-commerce revolution. This growth in e-commerce is going to be fueled by evolving consumer demographics as well as democratization of technology. India already has 280 million online shoppers at par with the USA, and this pace is set to surge past 400 million by 2030. A key driver of this digital wave is our nation's youth. The digitally native Gen Z shopper base is poised to drive nearly half of India's consumption. They prefer platforms that are curated, discovery-led, a space where we have a clear advantage. Naykaa is well positioned for successes as we are operating in this high-growth environment where beauty and personal care and fashion are the fastest growing categories in discretionary consumption. The online BPC market alone is projected to grow threefold from between financial year 25 and financial year 2030, reaching $15 billion. Similarly, online fashion market is projected to more than triple in a similar period, reaching $60 billion. Dear shareholders, now let's look at Naykaa's own performance in financial year 2025. I'm thrilled to share that Naykaa has delivered another year of strong performance in financial year 25, continuing our trajectory of robust growth. We have grown ahead of Indian e-commerce market with a GMV of rupees 15,600 crore, delivering a 25% year-on-year growth and a 42% GMV CAGR over the last 5 years, compared to industry average at 20%. Our year-on-year growth is underscored by consistent expansion in our omni-channel business, along with increased diversification over the last 5 years. In just 5 years, we've grown our GMV 6 times over, and today our beauty vertical stands at roughly 75% of that GMV, and fashion makes up the remaining 25%. To sum it up, financial year 25 has been a milestone year for us. We closed the financial year 25 with over 1.8 billion in GMV across all our platforms. We serve 42 million customers through our 4 platforms and almost 250 stores across 82 cities. We are now largest specialized beauty retailer in the country. We have over 9,000 brands across beauty and fashion, and we already have a very strong fulfillment capabilities with Naykaa Now, our latest offering, delivering beauty products in as little as 30 to 120 minutes across top 7 cities. We have built a comprehensive ecosystem, and it will continue to drive our growth in the years to come. Now let me begin with the beauty vertical. Our beauty vertical has had an impressive year, reaching GMV of close to 11,800 crores. This represents a 30% year-on-year growth, an incredible growth of 5x in the last 5 years. We have a cumulative customer base of over 34 million who have placed more than 54 million omni-channel orders in financial year 25 alone. This is a testament to the love Naykaa receives from customers and the deep trust that they place in us. We have further solidified our position as number 1 partner for global beauty brands that enter India. We have highest number of brands launches in 2025, including some of the renowned global brands such as NARS, Kerastase, YSL, Eucerin, Obagi, and Dr. Jart. The world's biggest beauty brands are betting big on India as it rapidly becomes a key market, evident from a number of global brands we launched in the last few months. The momentum will only accelerate as we continue to play a crucial role and remain the partner of choice for global brands to build their business in India. We've spent the last decade building a truly omni-channel beauty ecosystem, one that spans across all channels to serve the modern Indian consumer. We believe that the focus on both online and offline retail is critical for both beauty brands and beauty consumers. Today, we are proud to announce that we have crossed 250 stores milestone. This makes us the largest network of beauty specialty retail stores in India with a presence in 82 cities. Our physical retail business is not only expanding its footprint, but it is also doing so profitably. There are 3 different types of store formats we have: Naykaa Luxe, Naykaa On Trend, and Naykaa Kiosk. And this visual representation gives a little bit more information about that. These stores are more than just point of sale. They are destinations that offer immersive, curated experiences. They are now becoming destination for indulgence and discovery. Customers can now enjoy experiences like makeovers, skin consultation, hairstyling, and even nail and spa services at our stores. For over a decade, Naykaa has been instrumental in building a beauty category in India. Our flagship event, Naykaa Land, India's biggest beauty festival, was a resounding success with attendance of 25,000 beauty enthusiasts and over 1,000 content creators. Our Naykaa Wali Shadi campaign has made Naykaa synonymous with all things wedding. This show was among the top 10 shows on OTT platforms for several weeks. I'm excited to introduce our new initiative to strengthen our fulfillment capabilities, Naykaa Now. Naykaa Now is available across top cities, delivering beauty to our customers in 30 to 120 minutes. What truly differentiates Naykaa Now is our unparalleled assortment, It offers the largest and most comprehensive selection of beauty and has delivered 1.3 million orders till date. Now, I would like to share a video showcasing Naykaa Now. Let me now talk about House of Naykaa. Our House of Naykaa represents a diverse portfolio of unique brands across categories, and over the last 5 years, this portfolio has scaled 8x, reaching the GMV of 2,100 crores. In Q1, we are already at rupees 2,700 crore GMV on an annualized basis. This slide highlights our milestones over the last 5 years, from launch of K-Beauty, India's most loved celebrity brand with Katrina Kaif, to strategic acquisitions of brands like Dot & Key and Earth Rhythm. Now, I would like to share a video on House of Naykaa. Thank you. I'm proud to announce that House of Naykaa now stands as India's second largest homegrown beauty portfolio, comprising 7 brands and generating over rupees 1,700 crore in GMV, serving 13 million customers. Let us now talk about some of these brands. Naykaa Cosmetics is India's trendiest brand for the youthful beauty consumer of today and tomorrow. K-Beauty is in partnership with Katrina Kaif, is India's first and most successful celebrity beauty brand. And I'm delighted to share a proud milestone for us all. K-Beauty is set to make its historic UK debut with an exclusive launch at Space NK. K-Beauty is the very first beauty brand founded in India to join Space NK's carefully curated global portfolio. With this launch, we are taking one of India's biggest beauty success stories to the UK's most prestigious luxury beauty retailer. Next, I'd like to talk about Dot & Key, India's largest and most loved skincare brand, which has scaled to a GMV of more than 900 crore in financial year 25, and it continues to scale even beyond that. Now let's talk about two of our fashion brands. Naked by Naykaa is a brand that truly simplifies lingerie for Indian women, making comfort and style effortlessly accessible. And 20 Dresses offers chic and trendy Western wear collection to match many moods of everyday life. With that, next, I'd like to talk a little bit about our eB2B platform called the Superstore by Naykaa. This technology-driven B2B platform empowers retailers across India with a wide selection of beauty and personal care assortment, while helping brands expand their reach as well as improving end consumer access. In just 3 years, it has quickly scaled to truly serve the underserved via technology. In financial year 2025, Superstore's GMV has scaled to 941 crores. It now serves 2.8 lakh transacting retailers across 1,100 cities. Order volumes have also tripled during this period, with nearly 89% of sales coming from Tier 2 and smaller markets. Traditional distribution networks struggle to meet this demand, and that's where Superstore plays a critical role. We empower underserved retailers with access to broad portfolio of over 200 national, regional, and D2C brands. At the same time, we enable brands of all sizes to reach consumers across the country, truly democratizing distribution. The business also witnessed significant improvements in its unit economics over the course of the year, with a contribution margin improvement of over 484 basis points in financial year 25 alone. The primary drivers for improvement were higher gross margins, improved fulfillment costs, and improved sales team productivity. To summarize, Superstore is scaled well with clear path to profitability. Now let's move on to the fashion vertical. Naykaa Fashion continued to deliver healthy growth with a GMV of 3,800 crore during this financial year, outpacing the broader online fashion industry growth despite a muted consumption environment. Our cumulative customer base has grown to 8 million, and in financial year 25 alone, we fulfill as many as 8 million orders. We launched Naykaa Fashion to meet two key market needs: the vast potential of the fashion industry and a growing consumer desire for a trend-focused premium shopping experience. We've stayed true to this vision, focusing on curating a high-quality assortment and enabling discovery. As per the third-party surveys, we are the second most preferred platform of choice amongst consumers and the number one most preferred platform of choice for latest trends and styles. Naykaa Fashion enjoys best-in-class AOV and high new season sales, both of which are 2x the industry average. Over the past few years, we have built our assortment to reflect presence and availability across brands and categories. Most of the national brands retail on our platform and enjoy significant sales through Naykaa Fashion. These are some of the brands that you'll find on our platforms. In the last couple of years, we've witnessed a launch of many of the strongest D2C brands on Naykaa Fashion, and they've quickly scaled on our platform. For years, Naykaa Fashion has been known to bring homegrown niche brands to forefront through our Hidden Gems property, showcasing the best of what our country has to offer to millions of customers. And finally, our House of Naykaa brands find immense consumer love and add significant value to the platform in key categories. Beyond national partnerships, Naykaa Fashion is the destination for premium and global fashion in India. Our platform now offers 1,000 international brands, bringing the world's most sought-after fashion directly to our customers' fingertips. We have also established strong relationships with leading global retailers. We not only brought their assortment to India, but also integrated our platforms through innovative B2B2C cross-border integration, full-stack solutions, and multi-marketplace model. With this, we brought brands like Revolve and Foot Locker into the country. To further elevate the consumer shopping experience, we created the Naykaa Fashion Edit, which provides a content-led discovery journey and offered through curated stores by stylists. This feature allows customers to shop by occasion, trends, and even through influencer curated collections, making it easier than ever to discover new looks. Our objective is clear: to maintain our position of India's #1 style and trend and style first shopping platform. Naykaa Fashion continues to build assortment with marquee brands across categories, from Gen Z store to men to kids to home to accessories. We have been scaling with improving profitability. Fashion has witnessed a steady and strong margin improvement. Our gross margin have risen, reaching 49% in financial year 25, and our EBITDA margin has shown remarkable progress, moving from negative 28.3 in financial year 20 to negative 8.3 in financial year 25. Moving on, let's reflect on our recent developments in technology. I'm very proud of Naykaa being an extremely agile organization. It has been one of the key pillars to our success. We have been at the forefront of being able to very quickly capture every new opportunity and adapt to our customers' evolving needs. This year will also see our organization transform rapidly, with us making best use of the transformative new AI developments happening across the globe. We are reimagining all our key journeys end-to-end, be it product discovery for consumers, our ability to solve customer queries, pace of our tech releases, or solution for brand partners, and much more. What gives us a strong edge is our existing understanding of our consumers, their preferences and behaviors, which enables us to create feedback loop resulting in strong personalization capabilities. I'd like to share a few examples of what we are building. We are taking search to the next level through Gen AI capabilities. We are bringing content, education, personalization together to transform traditional search and create meaningful journeys for our consumers who are seeking answers from us for a product, a concern, a trend, or anything else. The unique content and educational information we create, such as CSMS routine, our knowledge of the customers, such as brand and category affinities, and AI models bring all of this together to create powerful, meaningful responses for our consumers. Fashion is an extremely long-tail category where the breadth of options allows consumers in e-commerce to find such strong success. Customers are looking to Naykaa Fashion as a source for the right trend and, in fact, the right outfit. I'm excited to talk about the next initiative, Naykaa Muse, a personal AI stylist for every single consumer. Through our understanding of consumer as well as ability to read between the lines of every customer query, Naykaa Muse can drive inspiration for every occasion in our customers' lives. An increasing share of our codes are now written by AI. This video shows how a UX screen that would have taken days to build has been generated in only minutes. We expect our speed of execution to increase dramatically and have taken an internal goal of 50% code generation through AI by the end of the year, well ahead of industry benchmarks. These examples were a glimpse of how AI has truly been given a seat at every meeting we have. Today, we have 40+ Gen AI initiatives spanning customer experiences, tech, product development, and productivity across functions from service to operations to finance and much more. I'm excited for the immense opportunities these transforming technologies are creating for Naykaa. Moving on, let us look at Naykaa's financial performance in the year 2025. We have achieved a strong growth in both revenue and profitability. Our revenue has seen a remarkable 35% 5-year CAGR. In 2025 alone, we delivered a 24% year-on-year growth, reaching nearly 8,000 crores. Our EBITDA has grown even faster, with 41% 5-year CAGR, demonstrating our focus on building a sustainable and efficient business. Our EBITDA margins expanded to 6% in financial year 25, a testament to scaling our business with the right unit economics. We have consistently improved capital efficiency and delivered healthy returns. Our ROC has improved to 11.3% in financial year 25 from 7.5% in financial year 24. Our disciplined approach and capital efficiency has allowed us to build a large and growing lifestyle ecosystem with a total capital raise of only $140 million in the entire journey of Naykaa. And finally, we are committed to making choices that create positive impact all around us. As we grow, we are building a future that is responsible and sustainable. Everything we do as an organization, big or small actions, business or otherwise, are driven by our 6 core values. We aim to drive the right culture and values across our teams and people, and I'm proud of the integrity, strong work ethic, and holistic thinking displayed by each Naykaite in our company. The unique proposition of Naykaa is built on an expansive ecosystem which connects brands, suppliers, vendors into a single cohesive network. Along with the driving direct employment of over 13,000 people, we are incredibly proud of our ability to support and be part of the journey of many more individuals and SMEs, such as beauty creators, independent beauty professionals, vendors, suppliers, independent retailers, through Superstore, and many more. We are deeply committed to building a sustainable and responsible organization. We have taken significant efforts to drive operational efficiency to create a positive environmental impact. I'm happy to share that we have made significant strides in this area, with 96% of packaging material coming from sustainable materials in 2025. We have also recycled 160 metric tons of plastic in 2025. In the Superstore business, we are reusing packaging materials we receive from brands to further fulfill orders to retailers. We reuse over 1.5 million brand boxes to fulfill orders in 2025 in our Superstore. In House of Naykaa warehouses, 100% of the corrugated boxes are being reused. As our organization has scaled rapidly, we've remained committed to nurturing a workforce that is diverse and inclusive. Women make up 43% of our team, contributing meaningfully at every level of the company. Women also comprise 60% of our workforce when you consider beauty and fashion category management, marketing, and HR. In financial year 25, we were honored to be recognized amongst best workplaces for women by ET Now, a reflection of our ongoing mission to build an inclusive culture. At Naykaa, our core values shape a culture that prioritizes employee growth and development. From recognizing performance and value champions with the Chairman's Annual Award to providing opportunities for continuous learning and discount, we are committed to our people. Naykaa is deeply committed to employee well-being and has introduced these initiatives to support it. The Naykaa Foundation, our CSR arm, focuses on multiple initiatives to support and uplift most vulnerable communities. We partnered with several NGOs, positively impacting lakhs of lives over 5 years. Here are some of the key initiatives undertaken by Naykaa Foundation. With its focus on women empowerment, Naykaa Foundation has successfully helped over 11,500 women, helping them build careers and financial independence. Naykaa Foundation provided access to quality education, impacting more than 25,000 students. We are uplifting communities through our community empowerment efforts. And to conclude, this has been another remarkable year in Naykaa's journey. We have not only reinforced our position as a leader in the industry, but have done so by consistently being at the forefront of what's next. Our agility, our consumer-first approach, will continue to guide us as we unlock new opportunities in the beauty and fashion industry. We look forward to what Naykaa can achieve and be for its consumers. As we close this year, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to all of you. On behalf of the company, I want to thank all our shareholders, our investors, our partners, our suppliers, Naykites, and more importantly, our customers for their unwavering faith and continued support. Our 42 million and counting customers are at the heart of everything we do, whose trust in our platform has been the foundation of our growth and continued success. We remain committed to serving you better every day with every click and every order. Thank you for letting Naykaa be part of your lives. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, ma'am. I would now like to call upon Mr. Nilabja Chakrabarti, Company Secretary, to give instructions about the e-voting process. Over to you, sir.
Dear members, I shall take you through the general instructions regarding participation at this meeting. In accordance with the provisions of the Companies Act 2013 and the rules issued thereunder and the SEBI listing regulations, the members who were provided with an opportunity to cast their vote through remote e-voting facility on the resolutions as set out in the notice conveying this annual general meeting. The remote e-voting period commenced at 9 a.m. on Thursday, August 21st, 2025, and the facility was available to the members till 5 p.m. on Sunday, August 24th, 2025. The members who have not cast their votes through remote e-voting and who are participating in this meeting will have an opportunity to vote during the meeting through e-voting system provided by NSDL. The facility for e-voting will also be made available for 15 minutes after the conclusion of this meeting. Since the AGM is being held through video conference or other audiovisual means, there will not be any proposing or seconding of the resolutions. Mr. Sachin Sharma or failing him Mr. Dinesh Trivedi or failing him Mr. Vishwanath, designated partners at Sharma and Trivedi LLP, practicing company secretaries have been appointed as scrutinizer for the scrutiny of the votes cast through the remote e-voting platform and e-voting during the AGM in a fair and transparent manner. The voting results along with the scrutinizer's report will be declared within 2 working days and will be available on the company's website and on the website of NSDL and the stock exchanges where the company's shares are listed. With the permission of the members, the notice of the annual general meeting is taken as read. We would also like to inform you that there are no qualification or adverse remarks in the reports of the statutory auditors and the secretarial auditors. Now I request the moderator for the meeting to kindly initiate the question and answer session.
Thank you very much, sir. Dear members, the speaker member may now ask questions pertaining to any item as set forth in the notice and offer their valuable comments. During the question and answer session, the names of the speaker member will be sequentially announced and the maximum time allowed to each speaker would be 3 minutes. However, in the interest of time, we request each shareholder to be as brief as possible. When your name is announced, kindly unmute your microphone, switch your camera on, and speak. For better experience, we would request the speaker member to use earphones so that they are clearly audible, verify the network connectivity, ensure Wi-Fi is not connected to any other devices, no other applications are running in the background, and there is a proper lighting for good video and audio experience. Members are requested to confine their comments to the business items set out in the notice and not to repeat the points raised by other members. If any member is unable to speak due to connectivity issues, the next speaker member will be asked to address the meeting. Once the connectivity improves and if the time permits, the speaker shareholder may be called up again to join, only after the other speaker member have completed their turn. To avoid repetition, the answers to all the questions will be provided towards the end. Let us start with the first speaker, Arun Kumar Bopanna. Please accept the prompt on your screen, turn on your webcam, unmute yourself and proceed with your question. Mr. Bopanna, please proceed.
Yeah. Hello. Yeah. Good morning. Thanks to Neelabja, the CS, Ganesh, and the team for arranging the VC. I think you took more than 40 minutes and you want to finish on us in 2 minutes. There's a parallel meeting going on too. This timing and date somehow is a little problematic for us. First, compliments for the celebration of numbers and India's rise in the global beauty economy. FY25 was clear a landmark year, a remarkable story of vision, values, and value creation. My question is, what investments are being made in logistics in Tier 2 cities? Could you share your latest EBITDA margins across key segments, beauty, fashion, and B2B? Water sustainability initiatives such as packaging, innovation, renewable energy in warehousing. Growth outlook for Naykaa-owned brands like Cape Beauty. What percentage of sales now come from Gen X consumers? Is Naykaa on track to deliver consolidated net profitability on a full year basis for FY26? With about 240 physical stores, how are you balancing offline expansion with digital first efficiency? I think you achieved 80% next day delivery or even earlier now in your speech in more than 8 cities. Are there plans to deepen Tier 2 fulfillment to support e-B2B and beauty demand, adding 800 plus stores, new brands? In conclusion, Naykaa must shape confidence, identity, aspiration for a generation with beauty products. I wish you all the best. I have another meeting, parallel meeting. Thank you.
Thank you. Our next speaker shareholder is Lekha Shah. Please accept the prompt on your screen, turn on your webcam, unmute yourself, and proceed with the question, ma'am.
Hello. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible. Please proceed.
Thank you, ma'am. Respected Chairperson, ma'am, Board of Directors, and my fellow members, good morning and regards to everyone. Myself, Naykaa Shah from Mumbai. First of all, I would like to thank our company secretary, Nilja sir, especially Kevin sir, for giving me this opportunity and small, smooth process where I'm able to talk in front of you all in AGM. I found the AGM notice and I'm delighted to say it's so beautiful, full of colors and fact and figures in place. Chairperson ma'am, your opening remarks were so insightful and comprehensive that you have already addressed everything I had in mind. Ma'am, all our upcoming festivals filled with joy and blessings, ma'am. Again, I thank our company secretary Nilja sir, especially Kevin sir, for their best performance and always outstanding support for all my doubts. Ma'am, I would like to ask you questions. My first question is, what is the roadmap for the next 2 years? How much our PAT in current financial will affect because of the trade war? What is the total number of employees and how many human employees are working in our company? So I would like to say I strongly and wholeheartedly support all the resolutions for today's meeting. Ma'am, please continue video conference meeting in future. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Our next speaker shareholder is Bimal Kumar Agarwal. Please accept the prompt on your screen, turn on your webcam, unmute yourself, and proceed with the question.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Please proceed.
Thank you. Thank you. Good morning to you all. Good afternoon, good evening, and good night to other shareholders or other directors who have joined from different part of the world. Chairwoman has given beautiful picture about the company. There's no question to be asked. Only I want to know, since new products have come, your launch, we have filed a patent. Oh no, and what are our R&D expenses? And I thank the company secretary, team, management, staff, and the shareholders also. That's all from me. Thank you very much. Please continue video conference in future. Please, again, I thank the company secretary and his team also. That's all from me. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Now I call upon our next speaker shareholder, Ankur Chanda. Please accept the prompt on your screen, turn on your webcam, unmute yourself and proceed with your question.
I am audible?
Yes, sir. Please proceed.
Okay. Good morning to everyone. Sir, I just want to say that our corporate governance is too good, तो इसलिए कोई दिक्कत तो है ही नहीं. फिर भी मैं एक दो छोटे से क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहूंगा. That despite increasing competition in the beauty and fashion e-commerce space, how does Naykaa plan to sustain and grow its profitability over the next 2 to 3 years? Second one is, what is the management outlook revenue and on revenue and EBITDA margin growth for the next fiscal year? Third one is, can you provide clarity on the company's capital expenditure plan and how it aligns with long-term ROI goals? बस मैं यही जानना चाहूंगा, बाकी तो आप बढ़िया काम कर रहे हैं, कोई दिक्कत ही नहीं है. धन्यवाद सर.
Thank you. Our next speaker shareholder is Manjeet Singh. Please accept the prompt on your screen, turn on your webcam, unmute yourself and proceed with your question. Mr. Singh, please accept the prompt. Mr. Singh, please proceed.
My audible?
You're audible, sir.
नायका की मैनेजमेंट टीम, सेक्रेटरियल टीम और माय को शेयर होल्डर, मैं सभी का स्वागत करता हूं. गुड मॉर्निंग सर. जिस तरह हमारी कंपनी ने प्रोग्रेस दिखाई है, उसी तरह आगे भी निरंतर कंपनी आगे बढ़े, इसकी हम आपसे आशा करते हैं और भगवान से प्रार्थना करते हैं. जिस तरह के प्लेटफॉर्म पर हम हैं, उसमें मेजर सिटी के अलावा जो ग्रामीण इलाके हैं या देहात हैं, उन पर भी हमारी बुकिंग रहती है और आने वाले टाइम में इसके ऊपर, इस प्लेटफॉर्म पर जो छोटी सिटी हैं, उनको साथ में लाने के लिए आगे हमारी क्या योजनाएं हैं, थोड़ा आप इस बारे में बताइए. कंपनी की प्रोग्रेस अच्छी रहे, इसकी हम कामना करते हैं. हमारे सेक्रेटरियल डिपार्टमेंट ने हमें जितनी मेहनत से आपसे जोड़ा है, उनका भी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. हमारी कंपनी बीएससी एनएससी के अंदर लिस्टेड है और हमारा बीएससी का कोड 543384. नायका जो है सिंबल है, उसका पूरा मान सम्मान रखते हुए हमारे सेक्रेटरियल डिपार्टमेंट ने वैलेंटाइन बैलेंस शीट बनाई है और हमारे बोर्ड को हमारे साथ रूबरू करा है. आगे कंपनी इसी तरह से तरक्की करे, इसकी हम आपसे उम्मीद करते हैं और भगवान से प्रार्थना करते हैं. जिस तरह से आज सुबह का समय हमने आपके साथ ज्वाइन किया, सुबह की मॉर्निंग जो है वो नायका के नाम रही. थैंक यू फॉर द मैनेजमेंट टीम, थैंक यू फॉर द सेक्रेटरियल टीम.
Thank you. Our next speaker shareholder is Hiranand Kotwani. Please accept the prompt on your screen, turn on your webcam, unmute yourself and proceed with your question.
Hello.
Sir, please proceed.
Thank you. I am Hiranand Kotwani from Kalyan. It gives me immense pleasure to talk to you. This company, very dear to us. From IPO, we are regularly attending this virtual meeting. But I want that one physical get-together after the Diwali should be there. Those who are interested in the operation and sustainability of this organization, analysts, speakers, shareholders, are interested investors. It's up to you. This company has done well, but certainly one thing is that dividend. Your revenue is good, all is good. I read your balance sheet very nicely. In 2 to 3 minutes, I cannot praise or criticize at efficiency part, but certainly I want to know why there is a no plant. Is there any future? Because scale is important and long-term vision mission is there. To scale and profitability, one plant should be there. What is your call, madam, in this regard? So many verticals. How many shops we own? How many franchises we have? How many partner channel partner are there? And that is we in the balance sheet 4,400 and what lease, ownership, and franchise. I want these three figures to be disclosed or give me an email ad. And one thing is clear that dividend should be there because there should be the remuneration moratorium unless you not give a dividend. Nobody management level should take 1.2 crore annually, more than that, unless and until we give dividend to the shareholder. Because you are the major shareholder. If you reduce the cost and increase give the dividend, you will the beneficiary. Your concern is our concern. How you looking the market is good, all is well. But certainly economical scale, efficiency, transparency, and particular transparency and competency is important. How you look future and corrective measure taken particularly in a plant and particularly the sustainability. Your staffs are at par with celebrity. Don't go any huge experience for a celebrity. Your staff itself, madam, you are itself a celebrity. If you advertise yourself, that is a well good. We know. And people, digital people know this Naykaa very well. So the sales पे ध्यान दीजिए, future में ध्यान दीजिए, scale पे ध्यान दीजिए. Thank you and good luck.
Thank you. The next speaker shareholder is Jahangir Batiwala. Please accept the prompt on your screen, turn on your webcam, unmute yourself, and proceed with your question.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Please proceed.
Okay, ma'am, nothing much. Your opening remarks were really good. I heard the whole presentation. But ma'am, I have a small suggestion that henceforward such presentations, if they can be emailed in advance, a lot of time can be saved, ma'am. You took almost about 45 minutes for your presentation. And there are other meetings going on. So devoting that much time for a single meeting is a little difficult. Hence, I would request you that if the presentations can be emailed to the speaker registered, to the people who have done the speaker registration. Secondly, ma'am, if you can just touch upon the roadmap for the next 2 years, and what are your plans for taking Naykaa on a global platform? Thank you very much for patient hearing, and I wish you best of luck to one and all, and compliments of the festive season which has just started to everybody, the whole Naykaa family. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Thank you. The next speaker shareholder is Dilip Kumar Jain. Please accept the prompt on your screen, turn on your webcam, unmute yourself, and proceed with the question. Mr. Jain, please proceed.
Hello. Hello.
You're audible, sir.
Yes. Namaskar, Jai Jinendra, Chairman Madam, and fellow shareholders. वैसे तो उस मैडम ने सारा इतना कुछ डिटेल्ड अपने इंट्रोडक्टरी स्पीच में बता दिया है, तो पूछने लायक 2-3 क्वेश्चन थे, उनका मेरे को रिप्लाई मिल गया है और बहुत आने वाले टाइम के लिए बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं हैं सबको कि अच्छी हमारी कंपनी इसी तरह से प्रगति करती रहे. जो सेटबैक पिछले 1 साल में हमने इस कंपनी का देखा था, जो इशू मतलब जो है ना लिस्टिंग से लेके और बाद तक का, उसमें बहुत बड़ा सेटबैक शेयरहोल्डर्स को लगा था, लेकिन लगता है कि धीरे धीरे ये रिकवर हो जाएगा जैसा कंपनी का फ्यूचर चल रहा है. और इसके अलावा यही है कि जो मतलब कंपनी के जो शेयरहोल्डर्स को इसको हुआ है लॉस इन बिटवीन, उसके लिए कोई राइट इशू या कोई बोनस इशू अगर आप राइट इशू दे सकें या कुछ स्प्लिट के फॉर्म में कुछ जो भी आप कंपनसेट कर सके शेयरहोल्डर्स को, अगर इफ इट इज पॉसिबल देन यू डू इट. और कोई न्यू ईयर की और फोर्थ आने वाले नए साल, दिवाली और गणपति की आपको सबको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। कोई इस पे आप कोई हमको कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री भेज सकें, अगर इसके भी कोई गिफ्ट कूपन या डिस्काउंट कूपन तो अच्छा लगेगा। हमारी कंपनी की तरफ से हमें कुछ मिला है नए साल पे, तो बाकी और सब कुछ बढ़िया है कंपनी का। एक बस ये कि अपने जो सोलर पावर का क्या अपने कितने आउटलेट्स पे या ऑफिसेज में यूज हो रहा है, उसका थोड़ा बता दें कि मेल फीमेल स्टाफ जो अपना उसका रेशो है, जैसा कि अपने मोदी जी का विजन है उस हिसाब से, तो वो क्या रेशो है वो थोड़ा बताने का। थैंक यू वेरी मच। जय हिंद।
Thank you. The next speaker shareholder is Gundluru Redappa. Please accept the prompt on your screen, turn on your webcam, unmute yourself, and proceed with your question.
Thank you. Thank you, moderator, for giving this opportunity. Chairman, ma'am, on board of directors, company secretary, and my fellow shareholders. Good morning, namaste. Myself, Redappa Gundluru, attending from Hyderabad. As a shareholder, I'm very happy, proud about the company performance. Ma'am, your speech is very wonderful. Presentation is very informative. Thank you so much for wonderful patience presentation. What a passion you are having about my company business. Special appreciation to you. And I
I'm sorry to interrupt you, Mr. Redappa. I would request you to please turn off your webcam because there is a bandwidth issue at your end.
Yeah, now I'm audible now, clearly?
Yes, sir. Please proceed.
Thank you so much for giving this update. Yeah. Ma'am, I received the annual report. I gone through annual report. Annual report both beautiful है madam. Our weight इसका weight भी बहुत अच्छा है, more than 200 kilos from first phase to last phase, winning every moment. What a wonderful quotation, madam. Thank you so much for annual report preparation team, CS team, all the company heads, account heads together, creating with your hard work, annual report is came out. Thank you. Special kudos to you, ma'am. And also, I found just a minute. Hello.
Sir,
Sir,
please proceed.
I'm another. Yeah, I'm another meeting. Please give a chance 1 second. Last. Yeah. Sorry, ma'am. Yeah. I gone through the annual report, ma'am. I found there is a wonderful transparent governance under your leadership. Transparency is there. High standard, ethically doing the business. Special thanks. Thank you for a wonderful financial performance, and thank you for reward everything, madam. I have a question. I would like to ask you, ma'am. Yeah. What is the company strategy to maintain growth in both beauty and fashion segments? How is Naykaa planning to compete with other e-commerce platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, and Reliance Tira in beauty retail? Third question: What are the plans to increase presence in Tier 2, Tier 3 cities? Ma'am, another question about the profitability expenses. When can shareholders expect the consistent profitability at considered level? Marketing and advertisement expenses are high. Is there any plan to optimize them while keeping growth? What is the current margin beauty and segment fashion segment? Ma'am, about the expansion, ma'am. Stores and expansion. How many office stores were open in this year? And what are the targets for the next year? Targets. How does offline or store profitability compare with with this supporting all the regulations, ma'am? Thank you, Tina ji, for a wonderful the opportunity. And thank you so much. I wish all the best. God bless you all. I pray God to give the strength and wisdom on the entire board of directors. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Our next speaker shareholder is Ashit Kumar Patak. Please accept the prompt on your screen, turn on your webcam, unmute yourself, and proceed with your question. Mr. Patak, please proceed.
Am I audible, ma'am?
So clearly audible.
Okay. And visible also, I think, so far.
So,
Okay. Good morning, respected chairman, board of directors, company secretary, fellow members, joining at 30th AGM of FSN E-Commerce Ventures Limited. My name is Ashit Kumar Pathak, joining from Damdam, Kolkata. At first, my esteemed gratitude to our company secretary, Mr. Nilabja Chakraborty, and entire secretarial team leadership nicely sending me the hard copy of annual report very well in advance, and excellent secretarial team. Ma'am, your opening request, you explained all nicely by video representation. Excellent. Now, the financial performance also excellent. GMV growth 25% and net revenue 7,950 crores, 25% growth, and profit after tax 72 crores, gross margin 43.7%, and nicely achieved cost optimization model. Excellent. Ma'am, my last speaker also mentioned about cost optimization in operating expense. That is very, very important. Maybe taken is innovative way, because we have also investment in innovation and distribution and inventory trajectory. So this is my first view which like to share. And debt reduction policy, I noticed our debt increased to 836.42 crores, and gearing ratio increased to 0.64 against 0.48. Share your thoughts. And I noticed our fashion business vertical is not so prospective. Mentioned near about 8.3% EBITDA loss against NSB. Share your thoughts about the fashion business vertical growth. Any plan for acquisition other private entity like Earth Rhythm Private Limited, Dots and Key Wellness Limited, and expected business growth financial year 26, new products in pipelines, diversification in BPC and fashion, and any view for saloon business. Share your thoughts. Also, first quarter result is nicely achieved. I am congratulate entire secretarial team for this. Near about net profit growth 24.47%. And finally, there are some 2-3 points. Union government recent GST reduction, any positive impact in our operation? Also, Trump tariff, any impact in raw materials import? Share your thoughts. Gender diversification, maybe equal gender diversification, because 43% we have women employee. That is thick. Any plan for consideration between existing domestic subsidiaries and amalgamation, any subsidiaries business like mentioned in the balance report? And finally, ma'am, any shareholder rewarding policy? Last in financial year 21 and financial year 22, members are rewarded with bonus share. So think about this. Also, any R&D we are maintaining, because we are also maintaining cosmetics and other in personal care, as well as our investment in also mentioned tech, BBC innovation, and investing in order management and advertisement technology. So that to be concentrated in research and development, because this is the very skin related thing, I think, so far in cosmetics also. And also, finally, I highlighted my companies, this excellent going to Union Mutual Fund, Innovation Opportunities Fund. I noticed the retail portfolio total 20.90. My company is taken place 2.74 as on 30th June 2025 fact sheets. Excellent management team and excellent growth. Only there is lacuna shareholder rewarding policy. I pray to God, everybody, for good health and prosperity of my company by leadership of you and entire management team. Thanking you, ma'am.
Thank you. The next speaker shareholder is Vasudha Dakwe. Please accept the prompt on your screen, turn on your webcam, unmute yourself, and proceed with your question, ma'am. Ms. Dakwe, please accept the prompt.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am, please proceed.
Yeah, thank you very much. Very good afternoon, respected Chairperson Ma'am, Board of Directors, and my fellow shareholders. Myself, Vasudha from Thane. I will also thankful to our company secretarial team for sending me the hard copy of the report well in advance, which itself is very clear and transparent and also colorful. The opening speech given by the chairperson is also very informative and excellent. I will congratulate for the robust performance of the company done during the past years and in future also doing well. I would like to ask what is our market price in our domestic market as well as overseas. With this, I support all the resolution. Thank you very much and wish the company all the best for coming financial year and my best wishes for coming Ganpati, Dasara and Diwali festival. Thank you very much.
Thank you. The next speaker shareholder is Sushil Arora. Please accept the prompt on your screen, turn on your webcam, unmute yourself and proceed, sir. So please accept the prompt.
हेलो हेलो
Yes, you're audible.
हाँ मैडम मेरी आवाज आ रही है
Yes, ma'am.
हेलो
Yes.
हाँ रिस्पेक्टेड चेयरमैन एंड बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स एंड आवर शेयर होल्डर्स एंड सेक्रेटेरियल टीम एंड कैल्विन जी का मैं धन्यवाद करती हूँ और सबको नमस्कार करती हूँ। मैं सबका आदर अभिनंदन करती हूँ। मुझे 13वीं जन्म AGM में बोलने का मौका दिया उसका धन्यवाद करती हूँ। और वैसे तो हमारे चेयरमैन मैडम जी ने बहुत अच्छी स्पीच दी है, बहुत अच्छा बताया है और खासकर ये शादी नायका वाली शादी बहुत अच्छा लगा। और एक जो AGM बुक भेजी है बहुत अच्छी टाइम से भेजी है, उसका भी धन्यवाद करती हूँ। इट्स ए ब्यूटीफुल बुक। और मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि एक नियर दिवाली और एक गेट टुगेदर की जाए शेयर होल्डर्स की तो हम आपसे मिलने का मौका मिलेगा। वैसे तो वर्चुअल है, उससे में कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, लेकिन एक बार कोई गेट टुगेदर हो जाए तो बहुत अच्छा है। बाकी एक सर मैडम एक मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है कि खासकर लेडीज के लिए जो आपके नायका प्रोडक्ट्स हैं उसमें कुछ डिस्काउंट कोई जो प्रोडक्ट खरीदना चाहता है उसमें कुछ दिया जाए तो बहुत अच्छा होगा। बाकी आपने स्पीच में अपनी ग्रोथ की कंपनी के बारे में बताया है, बहुत अच्छा बताया है और हमें सुन के बहुत ही अच्छा लगा कि हमारी कंपनी बहुत ग्रो कर रही है। आगे मैं ज्यादा टाइम ना लेते हुए हमारे शेयर होल्डर भाइयों ने भी बहुत कुछ कहा है, उसमें भी हमारे क्वेश्चन के आंसर हैं और मैडम जी ने भी बहुत अच्छा दिया है, उसमें सब कुछ बता दिया है। तो धन्यवाद करती हूँ। धन्यवाद मैम।
Thank you. The next speaker shareholder is Gagan Kumar. Please accept the prompt on your screen, turn on your webcam, unmute yourself and proceed with your question.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Please proceed.
Yeah. Meeting started with good morning and now it's around good afternoon. It will not go till evening. Let me make myself very brief. I'm Gagan Kumar from Delhi. Most of my query is covered by Chairperson Ma'am in the opening remarks and the presentation. My only one or two concerns are that in this challenging phase, what is our strategy to maintain or to enhance our margins? And my second query is, if we see that there are lots of competition and our strategy to attract more and more customers to our store or our site, what special treatment we can give? The only concern I have for today's AGM and I am the shareholder of so many companies. But I would like to mention here the dynamic CS and secretarial team over there is that we have sent requests for the speaker, and most of the companies send the link and they do not inform the shareholder that either you received it or not. We got 3 time calls from your secretarial team by Ma'am Tina, Mr. Neeraj, again by Mr. Neeraj. So this kind of secretarial team will truly boost our morale to stay in the company. Thank you so much for this opportunity.
Thank you. The next speaker shareholder is Anil Parekh. Please accept the prompt on your screen, turn on your webcam, unmute yourself, and proceed with your question. Mr. Parekh?
Oh,
So please
hello.
unmute yourself. Yes, sir. You're
Am I
audible.
audible?
Yes.
Okay. Chairperson, Madam Falguni Nayarji, other board members, and my fellow shareholders. Madam, I am Anil Parekh here from Bombay, and I'm long-standing shareholder since the inception of, since the listing of this company. Chairperson, Madam, I am really touched with the performance this year, and I'm truly what you call admire that being a woman, you have done exceptionally well this year, and our turnover has reached gross merchandise value has reached to 15,604 crore. Excellent, madam. Also, our consolidated net revenue has increased to 7,950 crore. Excellent performance, madam, under the challenging environment and economic scenario. Madam, our beauty and personal care business is a key growth driver, and we can see that it is increased by 30%, and margin has also improved to 9.6%. There are many positive things in the company, and I don't want to repeat it again. Before me, many speakers have said. I would like to understand only from you that how many more retail stores uh, can we can be added in this year. Since last year, we have added around 50 stores, and very good what you call expansion program we have. So what is your capex program as far as establishing new stores? And you have already highlighted many things which uh, uh, eradicate all the questions which I had in my mind. So I'm thankful to you for allowing me to speak at this meeting. I'm also thankful to our CS team, uh, Nilabja and Kevin, particularly for assisting timely. Thank you for patient hearing, and I'm supporting all the resolutions proposed today. Thank you.
Thank you. The next speaker shareholder is Bharat Gandhi. Please accept the prompt on your screen, turn on your webcam, unmute yourself, and proceed with your question. So please proceed. Sir, please adjust your camera and proceed with your question. Sir, please proceed. . We are unable to hear you, Mr. Negandhi. Mr. Negandhi, I would request you to kindly rejoin the meeting and try again. Now I invite our next speaker shareholder, Aspi Bhesania, to kindly accept the prompt on his screen, turn on his webcam, unmute himself, and proceed with the question.
Madam, can you see me and hear me?
Yes, sir. Please proceed.
Madam, I'm Aspi from Bombay. I thank the Secretarial Department for giving me an opportunity to speak. Madam, we have 237 stores. How many are owned and operated by Naykaa, leased but operated by us, and owned and operated by franchisees? Madam, we are making brands for others. How about making our own brands more powerful? Madam, I congratulate the management for excellent results. Even first quarter was very good. But why no physical AGM? Because we are unable to meet you like earlier. Madam, page 6, there are 25 brands. Why don't you have a father brand and sub-brands for different things? Is selling price in online and physical stores the same, or is there a difference? Madam, there is a saying that charity begins at home. Madam, please give our products free or at a big discount to our top management, especially CFO and company secretary, and yourself. Your top management should be the brand ambassadors for our company. Madam, please put me on your mailing list for con calls and annual investor days. Our standalone EPS is 0.34 paisa and consolidated EPS is 23 paisa. What steps are being taken to make our subsidiaries profitable? Considering small EPS, I feel there is no need for a dividend. I would prefer capital appreciation to dividend. Madam, we are selling our products at such a high price and still our PBT margin is only 1.6%. What is the reason for that? And promoter holding is 52%. Do you have any intention of increasing the promoter holding? Madam, thank you very much and all the best for the future.
Thank you. Our next speaker shareholder is Yusuf Rangwala. Please accept the prompt on your screen, turn on your webcam, unmute yourself, and proceed with the question. Mr. Rangwala, please proceed.
सर आपका आवाज आ रहा है मैडम? वेरी गुड आफ्टरनून मैडम, आपको आवाज आ रहा है?
Yes, sir, आ रहा है.
मैडम, पहले तो मुंबई से मैं यूसुफ भाई रंगवाला बात करता हूँ. आपका नायका का हमने ओल्डेस्ट शेयर होल्डर. आपका फर्स्ट आई विल थैंक्स अवर कंपनी सेक्रेटरी फॉर सेंडिंग माय बैलेंस शीट. दैट इज ए वेरी हैंडसम, वेरी कलरफुल. Sir, I will come to direct point. Our balance sheet around 500 pages. Very good, very knowledgeable. Sir, we are having around 300 stores at present and 1,000 dealer, 1,000 branches as you mentioned. And we are in 82 cities. And our Katrina Cap is our brand ambassador and Rasina Tandon. She is also, and there are so many others in this. Sir, this is a 30th annual general meeting. Sir, when was the last bonus was given, sir? Many years have passed. But till now you declare a bonus, I would like to know. Sir, Naykaa having an analyst meet around 2 months, 6 or 3 months back. Sir, why are you not calling us as a shareholder, sir? This is my humble request, madam. Next time, when in the month of November or December, if there is an analyst meet, please call us also, madam. So this is my humble request. As we are distributing toward the brand ambassador of our product, why not distribute it to our shareholders, sir? This is my humble request, madam. Please distribute some product or sample. And this is a product available, for example, Reliance में अपना मिलता है और अपना स्टार बाजार में मिलता है. And there are big mall in India, sir. And there are so many other stores where our Naykaa products are available. This shows how our products are in demand. So our product available in foreign also, in UK also our product available, and our product available all over India, sir. So this, madam, आपका guidance, this companies are growing up. and the time will come, we will do, sir. Thank you very much. And also a request for the factory visit, madam. How it is product manufactured? Can you arrange a factory visit? This is my humble request. So this product, how I manufacture, we can look. This is my humble request. Sir, फूलों की खुशबू कलियों की बहार, मैडम, और अपना नायका का साहब, wishing you a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi. All my friends and all my staff also wishing. I am speaking from Mumbai. My name is Yusuf Rangwala, sir, madam. Thank you very much, madam. Jai Hind, madam.
Thank you. The next speaker shareholder is Sneha Monot. Please accept the prompt. Turn on your webcam, unmute yourself, and proceed with your question.
हेलो
Yes, ma'am, you're audible. Please proceed.
नमस्कार मैम मैं स्नेह मनोज गुड़गांव हरियाणा से बोल रही हूँ मैं चेयरमैन साहिबा एवं सभी बोर्ड मेंबर्स को हार्दिक अभिनंदन करती हूँ तथा आपके प्रस्तावित सभी प्रस्तावों का मैं पूर्ण समर्थन करती हूँ नायका अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ा ब्रांड नेम है जो निरंतर प्रगति की ओर अग्रसर हो रहा है भविष्य में भी इसी प्रकार प्रगति होती रहे इसके लिए हम आपको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं करते हैं आपका सेक्रेटरी डिपार्टमेंट बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहा है उनके अथक प्रयास से ही हम आपके साथ जुड़ पाए हैं इसके लिए उनका भी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद मेरा कोई विशेष प्रश्न नहीं है क्योंकि मैडम ने अपनी रिपोर्ट में ही सब कुछ हमें बता दिया था इसके लिए उनका भी मैं धन्यवाद करती हूँ धन्यवाद
Thank you. The next speaker shareholder is Bimal Bhatt. Please accept the prompt on your screen, turn on your webcam, unmute yourself, and proceed with the question.
Good morning.
Sir, please
Am I
adjust your camera. You're not clearly visible. Thank
now?
you so much, sir. Please proceed.
Okay. Namaste, Honorable Chairperson, Ms. Falguni Nair, respected directors, key managerial personnel, senior management, human resources, and my fellow colleagues. I am Bimal Bhatt from Vadodara, Gujarat, the land of Mahatma Gandhi, a strategist and Sardar Patel, an executor. Thank you, Company Secretary and entire team for a great support and help. Hearty congratulations to our team Naykaa for achieving the performance in a disruptive world. As a part of co-creation and reverse stakeholder engagement process, my few observations and views, which I've already shared in advance as a collaborative efforts. First is composition of board of directors. Should we have a young sportsperson as an independent director that is below 40 years, and also more women representation as an independent director, say in next year 50%? I believe yes. Second, core management team. Is it representing our brand equity? Should we have 50% women in core team? I believe yes. Third, company has engaged different brand ambassador for different products. What's the amount paid to them? Are we getting adequate return of investment as envisaged as a part of business model from them? Fourth, as a genuine collaborative efforts, may I request to refer to my book, Business and Governance Insight on Amazon India, USA and UK. It's already peer-reviewed by Honorable Suresh Prabhuji, ex-cabinet minister, Honorable K.V. Kamath, Mr. Dinesh Kanabar, Nilesh Vikamsi, Jyotin Mehta, and others. Its review was also published in Director Today, May 2024, a monthly journal of Institute Directors, New Delhi. And lastly, I'm happy to share about my recent article, Stakeholder Engagement a Priority, in Director Today, July 2025, a monthly journal of Institute Directors, New Delhi. It should help our company to achieve more than 100%. And most important, I am so happy to see respected Sri Milind Bhai in our board, a most experienced KMP and independent director in India. Thank you very much, Milind Bhai. Lastly, in a VUCA world, best wishes for an exciting journey ahead for all the shareholders. Thank you very much, Bimal Arbat, ex-Public Interest Director.
Thank you. The next speaker shareholder is Gautam Nandi. Please accept the prompt on your screen, turn on your webcam, unmute yourself, and proceed with the question.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Please proceed.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Very good morning and namaskar. Respected Chairman, respected Chairperson, Madam, Board of Directors, my online fellow shareholders. Myself, Gautam Nandi from Kolkata, equity shareholder from the listing of our company. Firstly, I'd like to give thanks to your secretarial department for sending me annual report along with notice and necessary joining link through email well in advance. I have also received the hard copy of your annual report as requested for. So especially thanks to our respected company secretary, Mr. Nilabja Chakraborty, very sober, well behaved, and a very dynamic person, and his whole team of your secretarial department for rendering very good services to our minority shareholders. Madam, you are organizing your annual general meeting through video conference, and I find it is a grand success like the previous years. So thanks again. Madam, I am very pleased to receive your wonderful annual report consisting about 500 pages, which is very, very attractive and also very informative. Madam, I find very good performance in every segment, even in this challenging year. Respected Chairperson, Madam, your introductory speech was very, very informative and also very encouraging. So thanks again. All points have been covered already, so no repetition from my side. Only one or two questions from my side. Madam, you have more or less 250 outlets at this right moment. Is there any plan to open any new outlet in this year? Madam, in your segment, who are the main competitors? One request, please continue this VC meeting in future. Madam, I am very happy and also very proud to be a shareholder of your company. I have full trust with our strong management like you. So, along with my family, wholeheartedly support your all resolutions, which we have already casted through our e-voting. Madam, looking forward with a positive outlook towards our company with higher profit margin, good dividend, if possible bonus, and return. May God bless you, madam. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you very much. Namaskar. Signing off.
Thank you. The next speaker shareholder is Jaydeep Bakshi. Please accept the prompt on your screen, turn on your webcam, unmute yourself, and proceed with the question.
Yes, very good afternoon, Chairperson, Madam, and others present in today's video conference. Myself, Jaydeep Bakshi, connecting from the city of Kolkata. First of all, I convey my thanks to our company secretary, Mr. Nilabja Chakraborty, for giving me an opportunity to express my view and presenting a detailed and informative annual report. Ma'am, your initial speech was very much informative, and also the video presentation depicted our company affairs and also the product details also. And we're myself proud to be part of this company, which is a leader in the beauty commerce segment. And how are we planning to improve our brand value further? And any joint venture are we thinking of? And with the festive season around the corner, what is our target? Kindly share on that. And regarding e-commerce, how much has been the percentage of business we have generated, and how much are we using the digital technology for improvement of our brand and other product influence also? And personally, my family is using and really satisfied with our products. And through the R&D, are we thinking of any new value added ones for more inroads? And regarding competition, what is our thought process for sustainability progress in the future? That's all from my side, and continue with this VC so that we can everyone get connected. And do remember us, ma'am, during the festive times. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, everyone, for giving an opportunity.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, that was the last speaker shareholder. Now that we have all the questions and comments from our members, we will now take a short break for 20 minutes, post which our chairperson will address the questions. Please note that during the break, we will play the advertisement videos. Thank you.
Guys, I'm at the Naykaa Cosmetics shoot right now, and I found the shade for me. It's Blush and Bellini from the Super Light Lip Cloud. It's the perfect pinky nude.
Oh, Rasha, that shade looks bomb on you.
It's Blush and Bellini, guys. Blush and Bellini.
Lips so glossy, feeling real bossy. Standing on business, take 'em out, kamikaze. Yeah, I'm a move. They see I ate it up like food. She came, she ate, and she ain't leave no crumbs up on the plate.
Hey, kahan se?
So stylish.
Who's your stylist? Hey, kahan se?
Got to know.
Kahan se? Yahan se. The Naykaa Fashion Hot Pink Sale. Get styles curated by stylists. Shop now.
My little sunshine. इतनी देर क्यों लगा दी आने में?
I just want to know what's my fashion kundali and what are the new trends I should be buying?
I see polka dot dresses.
Spot on.
I see frilly top.
Yes.
Denim on denim.
Denim on denim.
Denim on denim. Denim on denim.
Wear what's next on Naykaa Fashion. Latest trends all in one place. Download now.
Shop polka dot dresses, floral cords, printed kurtas, and more than 7 lakh trending styles only on Naykaa Fashion. Shop now.
I just walked in and there's just way too many people and beauty enthusiasts here.
And it's been the most incredible experience. I'm really blessed to be able to travel all around the world. But there's nothing quite like the experience here at Naykaa.
It's our first ever Naykaa, and my goodness, it is unbelievable. I've worked in many countries. I've never seen anything on this scale before.
excited to be here. It's fun, it's high energy, just everything's going on at once.
It's definitely a beauty destination everyone should be aiming for. If you haven't visited yet, please be ready for the 2025.
Hi, I'm Rasha Thadani. And I never take my lipstick off, because once I wear it, it's matte to last. Last through my 3 cups of chai. Oops. Goes from day to date. But never from lip to food. My moods transfer, but my lipstick doesn't. Matte to last bullet lipstick. Naykaa Cosmetics.
Darlings, everyone loves an icon. Unlock your inner icon. Charlotte Tilbury, available only on Naykaa.
Welcome to Naykaa Luxe, India's #1 beauty destination for cult classic beauty brands, undiscovered global brands, and Naykaa Luxe exclusives. Shop the best of luxury beauty only on Naykaa Luxe. Shop now.
Cute dress.
Oh, thanks.
Where's it from?
I got it from Naykaa.
7 lakh plus influencer approved styles.
Stay stylish with Naykaa Fashion.
Beauty is this look today for me, and it always will be now if anyone asks me.
Beauty has a whole new definition. It's so many layers deep. It comes from how you feel about yourself, how you project that, and how the people around you make you feel.
I feel like when you meet the right person, you just know that this is it.
I want to just grow old with him, get great with him.
Attention ladies, Naked Air welcomes you all to ensure the most comfortable experience while you're on the move. We are here to help you feel easy, breezy, light as air. Sometimes you may experience a bra that doesn't quite sit right. Please contact us to upgrade to a bulge-free experience. In case of bra straps that dig in and cause distress, please strap in with the comfy Naked bra. Sit back, don't adjust, and feel light as air. Get the comfiest bras ever by Naked.
Ascent transports us back to moments where our memories linger forever. The smell of a fresh bouquet of flowers, crisp air in the mountains, a reminder of love, joy, a night out with your girlfriends. The way he smells in the morning, the smell of a memory. Wear these memories close to your heart.
Dead to me, R.I.P. buried. 무리들이 몰려오는 사자해라 미리. Dead to me, R.I.P. buried. 무릎 꿇고 고개 숙여 반성해라 피리. 왜 이래요? 잘못 오셨네요. 상관없는 자에게는 묻지 마세요. 손 깨끗이 씻고 and I live to tell the tale. 못이 박히기 했지만 coffin and a nail.
With you, the sun is shining 24/7. Cause when we're together, it feels like we're in heaven. If it will get dark, you'll be my million stars. I know I can lean on you. Ooh, you catch me like a leaf falling from a tree. If I be a shooting star, you.
Hi. My friend wants to ask you something.
Actually, I'm already...
Where did you get that dress from?
I love the dress.
Naykaa Fashion.
7 lakh plus influencer approved styles.
Stay stylish with Naykaa Fashion.
This summer, go pop with the all-new K-Beauty Jelly Lip and Cheek Popsicle. A tint that's juicy, balmy, and sheer. A pop of color that lasts all day. Available in 3 yummy shades. Shop now.